Bro, yo, not bad for doing this stuff by myself. Man, not bad for doing this by myself. Wow. So I sprayed this a while ago with the sandblaster just to kind of show the ease and the simplicity of using a sandblaster. So you can see like this area right here, I didn't touch this, but a couple passes with that sandblaster, it's the same part. Like it's awesome. It's awesome. So we're gonna go through here. Anything that's caked on, you know, like right back here, for example. You know, this is, you can see it's coming off pretty easy now. So we'll scrape this stuff off. That's no big deal. Scraped it off, blast it. It's gonna be shining like new money. And we drop that sweet 6-liter LS engine in here with that 4L80E transmission, and drop the body on, and yeah, get all the panels, doors, trunk, hood, all that stuff. Get all the stuff on there, bumpers. Get this thing ready for a winter. So like I've mentioned a whole bunch of times already, guys, I'm doing this for us. I'm doing this for the community. I'm doing this for the next generation. You know, we all enjoy our vehicles. We all love these cars. We all just admire the work, the money, the time, the creativity that goes into these vehicles. But I mean, let's face it, honestly, with the way Impala prices look right now, the next generation is going to have a tough time getting these vehicles unless they're hand-me-downs from, you know, from family. So, you know, I mean, outside of that, the prices are crazy right now. You know, 58 Impalas are like 200,000, like convertible 58 Impalas, $200,000 and up. I've seen several like that. There's a really well-known 59 Impala that was, if I remember correctly, he was asking 400-something thousand for it. Beautiful car. I'm not saying that it's not worth that. I'm sure it's worth every penny and more. But you know, and I'm making a video right now also to kind of like deep dive into that. You know, whenever you hear of these $1 million cars or couple, you know, multi-$100,000 cars, you're thinking of Lamborghinis, you're thinking of Porsches, you're thinking of Ferraris, you're thinking of all these cars. But when it comes down to it, you know, these lowriders, these are built, these are, you know, parts are sourced like just like any of these exotic cars. You know, the carbon fiber, the leather, the paint, all this unique fancy stuff. I would say it's the same, if not more, that goes into a lowrider. So the price, is it crazy? I don't think it is. I don't think it is. If the quality is there, if not just in the paint or the product itself, but the application from the painter, the upholstery, all the stuff that goes into it, all the hands involved into building that, you know, if it's a skilled hand, if it's a skilled eye doing this stuff, you know, male or female, it's worth every penny. So, you know, this Impala frame right now, this 64 Chevy Impala, you know, when it's all said and done, I don't know what the winner's going to have planned for it. I don't know what they're going to do to it, but I can tell you that that car, if they decide to put it up for sale, is going to sell for a lot more than what, you know, it was selling for 5-10 years ago. So, you know, we'll see what happens. But so taking off this bumper, we have 2 bolts right here. You got your brace coming from the the nose piece here to the frame. So that bolt right there, we're not going to take off this one right here. We're just going to take off this one, these 2 right here on the driver's side, and then same setup on the passenger side. So that's what we have mounted to the frame. Once we get those 6 disconnected, bumper's done. So I got them loose right now. Let me finish taking everything else apart, and we'll go ahead and get this bumper removed. So I'm going to make a super quick video on the Raffle, how it works, what it is, how to enter, because I get a lot of people messaging me asking how it works, what it is, and how do they enter. So I'm going to buzz through this real quick and get back to the video. Now the Raffle, what is it? It's me putting up a vehicle for one lucky winner. It's a vehicle going up for grabs for one lucky winner. The winner gets the vehicle delivered for free as long as they're within the US, or if they're in Hawaii. Canada, I can get you up to the border, you know, of the US and Canada, and you got to pick it up from there and take it back, but I can't deliver into Canada. It's got to be as close to Canada as I can get. But yeah, that's it. You gotta be 18 years or older. Entry for the Raffle is through PayPal. There's different options for payment. There's goods and services, there's friends and family, and something else, I believe. But it's going to be done through friends and family. In the notes section for that payment, I need you to make sure you include your shirt size, the shirt color, and your mailing address. The shirt sizes are from a youth small all the way up to an adult 6X. The colors are black or white. And then your mailing address, I just need to make sure that it's an address where you want that shirt sent to. Now, if you're the winner of the vehicle and you want it sent to a different address, the vehicle, that's fine. I'll touch base with you before delivery takes place. We'll get all that stuff confirmed and get the vehicle out to you. So that's pretty much it, guys. You know, these vehicles are getting harder to find. They're getting more and more expensive, like crazy expensive. So like I said before, doing this for the car culture, doing this for the car community, whether it's lowriders, mini trucks, diesels, sports cars, whatever the vehicle may be, doing that for that community and those who, you know, wanted this stuff, who had a dream on this stuff and just wanted to have their own, you know, and that's it. So free delivery. The goal with all of this stuff here is to get the vehicle to the winner and, you know, get video of the receiving, get video of their modifying process, whether they tear the vehicle completely down and build it back up, or if they just hop in and do a couple things and get it on the road. You know, just get footage of that, get out there, cruise with them for a little bit, grab something to eat, spend some time with them, get to know them, let them share their story with you guys, and, you know, go to the next vehicle and the next winner and do it again. So that's it, guys. Just trying to get some dreams out there on the road and have some fun, meet some cool people, and do it again. That's it. All right, guys, if you have any other questions on this stuff, please let me know. More than happy to get back to you. I do have a full-time job. I do have 2 young kids and a wife, so my free time is very, very limited, but I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. So, all right, guys, good luck. And for those of you that aren't entered yet, if you have any questions, let me know. Again, it only takes 1 ticket to be a winner. Alright, so let's take a quick look at what we got here. Just pulled off the original engine mounts from the frame on the crossmember and sprayed that area there because the new mounts don't have the same design on the base as the factory mounts, so it would have left, you know, a build-up little spot of you know, the dirt and all that kind of stuff that we didn't hit. So we got that now. It looks great. Everything's blended in. It's uniform now. That blaster is fantastic. Just got to hit this front section here. So these little scratches you see, that's where I went through with the screwdriver, the flathead, scraped all that stuff out, and going to follow up with that blaster, get it nice and smooth so it looks like this. We'll hit it with some paint, and then we'll be good to go. All right, guys, so quick update. I'm glad it happened now instead of in the very beginning of this, but the hose on the sandblaster just blew. Luckily it blew where it did during this process, but if you look, right there. It gave up on us. So not a big deal, not a big deal. Literally the only spots left to really hit are just a little bit on here, and we got some just really just a little bit right there, not much. So, and that's it really. So we're good, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing cleaned up real quick. Got the air blower hooked up to the compressor so we can go ahead and get all this loose blasting media off of here, this grit. So we'll go ahead and get that cleaned up.